Next example. Which of the following pairs of the linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Here we have to find these two linear equations are consistent and inconsistent and plot the graph. Okay. Our general linear equation in the form of the pair of linear equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, this is our general linear equation. Okay, write in this form x plus y plus 5 comes to this side minus 5 equal to 0. This is our equation 1. Next 2x plus 2y plus 10 comes to this side minus 10. Okay, equal to 0. This is our pair of linear equation 2. Okay, let's check ratios a1 by a2. What is the a1? a1 is in equation 1 x coefficient 1, a2 is in equation 2 x coefficient 2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2. Here b1 by b2 y coefficient 1, in equation 2 y coefficient 2, b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 2. Next, what is the value of c1 by c2? c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 10. Okay, minus minus get cancelled, 5 ones 5 twos. Okay, c1 by c2 becomes 1 by 2. Okay, see these ratios, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, it is equal to c1 by c2. These three ratios are equal. These three ratios are equal. So these two lines are coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, so coincident lines have infinitely many solutions. Many solution. Okay, next let's plot the graph. We want some points in equation x plus y equal to 5. So if x equal to, here I am taking 0, x value 0. So what is the value of y? 0 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5. Okay, next if y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 5, x plus 0 equal to 5, x value 5. Okay, if x equal to 1, okay, 1 plus y equal to 5, y equal to plus 1 comes to this side minus 1, 5 minus 1, it is equal to y equal to 4. Okay, if x equal to 2, 2 plus y equal to 5, y equal to plus 2 comes to this side minus 2, 5 minus 2 3, y value 3. Okay, so draw table x and y, write x and y values in the table. First 0, x value 0, we get y value 5. Okay, next if y value 0, we get x value 5. Next x value 1, y value 4. 1, x coordinate 1, y coordinate 4. Next x value 2, y value we get 3. Okay, this is our table 1, x plus y equal to 5. Okay, next equation 2x plus 2y equal to 10. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, if x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 2 into 0 plus 2y equal to 10. 0 into anything 0, 2y equal to 10, y equal to into 2 comes to the side by 2, 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Okay, next if y equal to 0, 2x plus 2 into 0 equal to 10, 2x equal to 0 into anything 0, 2x equal to 10, x equal to into 2 comes to this side by 2, x value 5. Okay, next if x equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 2y equal to 10, 2 into 1 2, plus 2 comes to this side minus 2, 2y equal to 8, y equal to into 2 comes to this side by 2 equal to 4. Okay, If x equal to 2, what is the value of y? 2 into 2 plus 2y, which is equal to 10. 2 to is 4. Plus 2 comes to this side. Plus 4 comes to this side. Minus 4. 10 minus 4, 6. Y value we get 3. Okay. Okay. First table, x value is 0 is 5, 5 0, 1 4, 2 3. Okay. In this is our second table. Write x and y values in the table. First point 0 5, next point 5 0. Okay. 0 5 5 0. Okay. Next, if x equal to 1, we get y value 4. 1 comma 4. Next 2 comma 3. Okay. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3. Okay. Let's plot the graph. Here draw x-axis and y-axis. Here scale is on x-axis 1 unit equal to 1. Y-axis scale is 1 unit equal to, I am taking 1. Okay. First point 0 comma 5. X 0, y coordinate 5. This is 0 comma 5. Okay. 0 comma 5. Next point 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. On x-axis 5, y-axis 0. Okay. Next point 1 comma 4. 1 4. Okay. This point is 1 comma 4. Next 2 comma 3. 2 3. 2 comma 3. Okay. Connect the points. See this graph. This graph represent x plus y equal to 5. Okay. Next table 0 5 5 0. Okay. Here point is 0 comma 5. Okay. Same point. Next 5 comma 0. Second point. Okay. 5 0. Okay. Next point 1 comma 4. This point is 1 comma 4. Next point 2 comma 3. This point is 2 comma 3. Okay. These two lines are coincident lines. Okay. These two lines are coincident lines. This line represent 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay. We get infinitely many solutions. Okay. In same way, you should solve these three examples. Here we have to find given pair of linear equations are consistent or not. If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Okay. Try to solve these questions.